In this video, I want to teach you what you have to do when you are asked to find the square root of a number in base 2. Now we've got this question: find the square root of 100,100 in base 2. And we are told to leave our answer in base 2. Now the first thing we'll do is to convert 100,100 to base 10. And then we'll find the square root and then convert back to base 2. Does that make sense? So we first of all convert 100,100 in base 2. We convert it to base 10. Now remember, base 10 is like a skyscraper, base 2 is like a bungalow. So if we want to convert from base 2 to base 10, it's like a promotion, so we multiply. Do you remember? Now we have 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2. I hope you've not forgotten misses. We multiply, we rank, and then we solve. So can we rank 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 32. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That's 16. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2. That is 4. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 1 is 2. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Do you understand? So we have 1 times 32, 32. Plus 0 times 16 is 0. Plus 0 times 8 is 0. Plus 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 0 times 2 is 0. Plus 0 times 1 is 0. So we have 32 plus 4. That is 36. Do you understand? So 100,100 in base 10 is 36. So we find the square root of 36. Now the square root of 36 is 6. Now remember, 36 is in base 10. Now means 6 also is in base 10. So we need to now convert this 6 to base 2 to get our answer. Now remember, when we are converting from base 10, a skyscraper, to base 2, a bungalow, is like a demotion, so we divide. Do you understand? We are converting to base 2, so we divide by 2. So we should have 6, 2. 2 in 6 is 3 remainder 0. 2 in 3 is 1 remainder 1. 2 in 1 is 0 remainder 1. So it means that our answer is 110 in base 2. Do you understand? So square root of 100,100 is 110 in base 2. Does that make sense? Let's take another question. So we have find the square root of 110001 in base 2, and we are told to leave our answer in base 2. Now remember, the first thing to do is to convert these numbers to base 10. Don't forget base 2. We are trying to convert to base 10, skyscraper. That's like a promotion, so we multiply. So we have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2. I hope you've not forgotten misses. We multiply, we rank, and then we solve. So we've multiplied. Can we rank? Remember, we are ranking on the base 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we can solve. So we have 1 times 2 raised to power 5 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That will give us 32. Plus 1 times 2 raised to power 4 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That is 16. Plus 0 times 2 raised to power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2. That is 8. 2 raised to power 2 is 2 times 2. That is 4. 2 raised to power 1 is 2. 2 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. Do you understand? So we have 1 times 32, 32. Plus 1 times 16, 16. Plus 0 times 8, 0. Plus 0 times 4, 0. Plus 0 times 2, 0. Plus 1 times 1, 1. So we have 32 plus 16. That is 48. 48 plus 1. That is 49. And remember, this is in base 10. So we find the square root of 49. Square root of 49 is 7, because 7 times 7 is 49. And also this one also is in base 10. So to get our answer, we convert 7 in base 10 to base 2. Remember, we are converting from skyscraper base 10 to base 2 bungalow. So it's like a demotion, we divide. Do you understand? So let's do it somewhere here. So we have conversion of 7 to base 2. 2 in 7 is 3, remainder 1. 2 in 3 is 1, remainder 1. 2 in 1 is 0, remainder 1. Bottom up. So it means that our answer is 111 in base 2. So the square root of 110001 in base 2 is 111